Silly ducks, that's not a pond, that's a road. Turn that down before I get monetized or something. But hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day, great afternoon, great morning, good evening, whatever time it is watching this video. We just got off work. Let me put my seatbelt on so y'all know I'll be riding safely. Alright, and we're trying to avoid the storm, but doubt that is gonna happen. A little rough week at work, but it's alright. We're making another video. We are on the way to Myrtle Beach today, hang out with the family. Unfortunately, I didn't get off early enough to go help or go be with Hunter, play with the castles and whatever. But I've been there about 10 times. He's been there about 50, but it's alright. But we're on the way to Myrtle Beach, so sit back, enjoy the video. See you later. Okay, dude, it's part of the freaking fast, dude. What I said the freaking Duramax can do, bro. Like, there's a freaking interstate up here, dude. Think I'm playing? I'll show you the freaking road sign so you don't think I'm freaking playing with you, dude. Alright? Oh, I'm already going that speed. Alright, let's slow down a little bit. Oh, policeman, hello. Okay, there's 70 right there. Dude, we're about to freaking hit it, dude. Oh, 2-3, dude. Whoa! Oh, shit. Woo! That's my boy. Fellow Marine, boys. Here we go. Fix your freaking hands. Dude, fix your freaking hands. When I'm next to you, I said fix your freaking hands. When I'm next to you, you don't know what to do. When I'm next to you, I said fix your freaking hands. Raw, Gopro, raw! Update for you, we have hit rain by a clean truck. But it's supposed to be raining and thunderstorming and having bad storms up along the East Coast right now. It's supposed to be really nice on the right side, or the East Coast. Alright, so it's supposed to be really nice tomorrow, okay? But for right now, it's not looking too, got a red light right here. Bye-bye, see you later. Yep, so for sure, buy a clean truck. But also, one thing is Lauren, the girl we're staying with, one of my friends from work, her husband, Travis, has an awesome tow rig that they tow their camper with. So, definitely gonna be taking a gander at that piece of machinery. Stop! I can't with you. I physically can't. It's hot. It is literally 74, and you cutting on. Chill, bro. Chill. So, if anyone else has this problem, please let me know. It is hot as hell when you be driving. It just randomly cuts on. I cut it off, and it'll cut right back on. So, well, we made it, boys and girls, and after many confrontations with the gate guard at the campsite, finally got let in. We made it to the beach house. She's looking freaking glorious right now. Shout out to Lauren. Appreciate the house. Real nice. It's on the canal. As you can see, old girl looking fabulous as ever. You already know. Darkness. What's going on, guys? It's the next day out here with the fam. Dad Ham, what's up? Say what's up. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, so they brought me the new addition to the truck, this ham tag. You already know I had to go on. And right now, Lauren's about to come down. We're about to run a golf cart, and I'll get with you as soon as we get that.
Guys, I'm Goofy. I'm here to double the ice and the bubble. Get away. You are the little baby bubble.
Come on, reel it in, boy. Reel it in, boy. What you got? What you got, a fish? Reel her in, bud.
Look at you.
Oh!
Reel it all the way up. And let me see it. Let me get him up here.
Look at you.
Oh, yeah.
Boy.
Whoa.
Reel him up.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Good job.
Say, yeah, buddy.
Hey. Put him back. Ooh, there he goes.
Bye-bye.
Bye for now.
Give me five.
What's going on, everybody? Right now, got the tag. Got the plate on it. You already know the deal. Yeah, you get the deal. And now we are once again official. It's here. You already know the deal. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Right now, like I said on my Instagram story, if you follow me, I got the 2011 Sport Chassis Freightliner right beside me. We're gonna do a little review and we're gonna test drive it. I got the freaking keys. Shout out to Travis, Lauren's husband. Loyal subscriber from the get-go. I really appreciate it. So, without further ado, we're gonna hop into it. And we're gonna see exactly what this thing's all about. I mean, just look how freaking roomy this thing is, y'all. It's got an 8.2 liter Cummins in it. It's 1,200 foot-pounds of torque. Perforated leather seats. The back seats actually recline kind of like a mega cab, so they slide in forward and then recline back. It's got digital entertainment in the back. Hello, Hunter. Hunter's gonna take a little ride with me. I know y'all are gonna like that. It's got the PlayStation back here. Under this, right here, has the PlayStation. Double din radio. Air ride seats as well, and it's got air ride in the back. So when you're hooking up a big old trailer like this right here, he has his pretty sure it's like 28 foot toy hauler in the background. But without further ado, we're gonna get into a ride on it. Oh yeah, full comfort. You like that one?
Yeah.
Awesome. Alright, so for right here we got the backwards camera. So if you're looking at a tow load, you'll see the camera in the background. And then obviously, I motor T in the Marine Corps, so obviously it has the same thing, just like there. It has the Allison transmission in it as well. And then obviously the air horn. Alright, now we're about to take off. Oh yeah. Now this thing is really sweet. Instant torque, like you just tap the gas, the whole thing shakes. It's awesome. Now, shout out to Lauren once again for letting me drive this. Shout out to Travis for letting me drive this. I'm just driving around the parking lot, or the parking section for Ocean Lakes Campground, Myrtle Beach right now. And I'm honestly just trying to get a little feel for it. And we're not driving it far. So, shouldn't be too much of a big deal. We have the cab lights right here, the courtesy lights and all that noise.
It's getting hot.
Now it does have the 6-speed transmission Allison, I'm assuming. So it says 6-1, Nissan low gear. Put it in tow haul mode for it to not freaking be in second gear while you're starting to drive it. All your window controls are right here. So driver's side window, obviously, and then passenger side window, and then yada yada. Travis showed you the rear seats and the whatnot. And it also has the entertainment system right here. So you have TV for anybody who wants to watch TV while you're riding, huh? Watch some Horse Castle and that right there?
Yes.
So that's also awesome. Yeah, I got some people looking at it. The thing gets hella looks. It's awesome. Guys, the looks I'm getting right now is straight ridiculous. Like literally everybody's just looking at it. People are taking pictures left and right. Straight ridiculous. Hunter's got a smile on his face. I got a smile on my face. Freaking air horn's awesome. Definitely want one. If I ever get up to have a toy hauler, definitely gonna have one of these to tow it. But the cool thing about this is it has the auxiliary mirrors right there on the right. It has different auxiliary modes for the or AV modes for the radio if you have them wired in. All your AC controls are right here in this dash. It's kind of mechanical instead of like obviously digital. It's even though it's a 2011, it's still very switchy. And just like a 7-ton, honestly, if you've ever been in the military, you have a 7-ton or like a big truck. But honestly, I wish I could drive it faster. But it is what it is. We're driving it right now around here, and I can't go faster than 10 miles an hour, unfortunately. But either way, it's really awesome to drive. And I see that it takes DEF right here, so it obviously still has emissions on it. And it's still pretty new, so it's not too bad. The 8.2 liter Cummins, haven't seen any of these in any vehicles. Alright, another cool feature about this vehicle is it has air ride seats, like I said in the beginning. So obviously there's a switch right down here on the left side. And you press that, you're gonna go low. Pull it up, you're gonna go high. Alright. It's right on the left side. It also has heated seats, so that's really cool. Y'all, I've been driving this thing now for probably about 5 minutes, and I've literally had so many people take pictures and just stop and stare at it. It's ridiculous. I've literally had 2 kids follow me from it as well. Really cool feeling. I gotta get one of these later on in life. I'm just saying. This thing's awesome. It's literally like a semi without a CDL license. The only reason it's not a CDL is because you don't have air brakes. It actually just has regular hydraulic brakes. So that's a pretty cool feature, but I guess, I mean, because you don't have to go through all that hassle to get a CDL license if you don't need to. And the stowage capacity in this thing is crazy. So you have all that under the back seat as well, and you just have so much. It's kind of like an RV on wheels. Like I know you can't tell because I have like the 18mm lens on here, but if I had a wide angle lens on here, you'd be able to tell. Like obviously Hunter is a little bit smaller, but he has so much room it's not even funny. But yeah, the room in here is ridiculous. The windshield is like I can see everything on here. It's ridiculous. That's fun to do. Hunter loves that. You like the horn?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
Does Bubba need to get one?
Yes.
Alright, awesome. And it kind of has like the GM style rear view on it, like with the temperature and whatnot on the right. And it has a built-in CB. The ambient lights, tweeters up here. All your other lights, like dome lights and whatnot. It's awesome. I freaking love it. But, like I said, if anybody likes to see these reviews right here, let me know in the comment section down below, and I would definitely find other people's trucks to review for you guys. Guys, drop a comment in the section below, and let me know. It's your boy, Itzhamm. See y'all later in the next video. Peace out.